Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the universe of Zoho Project and learning how to effectively utilize the task assignment tool. You kick off by opening your Zoho Project space. Once you're in, locate and click on the Tasks tab at the top of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Here you can view all tasks associated with your project. The reason we start here is because it's the central hub for all task-related activities. Now that we've done that, look for the Add Task button. This should be situated at the top right of your screen. Click on it and a form will pop up. Fill in the task details as required. This includes the task name, task owner, start date, due date, and priority. Customizing these details helps us because it provides a clear roadmap for the task ahead and ensures everyone involved is on the same page. Next up, assign the task to a team member. There should be a drop-down list where you can select the team member's name. If the person is not listed, click on the Invite New User button to add them. This step is critical in delegating responsibilities and ensuring the right people are working on the right tasks. Once the task is assigned, set the task's status. Choose from options like Not Started, In Progress, Completed, and so on. This helps us track the progress of the task and manage our project more effectively. Now, let me explain why this matters. Assigning tasks and setting their status helps you keep your project organized. It ensures each task is taken care of by the appropriate person and allows you to monitor progress in real time. Finally, hit the Save button to finalize the task assignment. This action locks in all the details and assigns the task to the selected team member. That's it. You've just learned how to utilize the task assignment tool in Zoho Project. Keep in mind that this tool is a powerful way to streamline your project management and enhance team productivity. It's all about making sure the right tasks get to the right people at the right time. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Stay organized and stay efficient with Zoho Project.